What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions what's going on in the car community on YouTube. On today's quick episode, I literally just stumbled across it when I saw it on his community post on Stradman about his recent video with Jeffree. The comments, guys, in the community post are, it's just funny, so we're going to jump into that in a few minutes. Just before we jump into it, guys, something I've been wanting to do, as I said, this channel is we self-sufficient. We are starting from the very bottom. I am aiming to get a project car for the summer. I really hope we can get one. I am not rich. I have a normal job, 8 to 4 Monday to Friday. I'm trying to save for a mortgage. I have rent to pay. I live on my own, I have a car picked out. I know what car I want to get for the summer, but it's gonna cost, like, my budget was around 2.5, maybe 3 to push, but the car I want is going to be looking at between 4,000 and 5,000, and I'm hoping we can save for it. Now I do have a backup car picked. What I want to do with you guys, this is a no bullshit, transparent channel. We're doing this together. It's you guys that basically are helping this channel get where it gets to, and I want to modify cars for you as well. So far I've opened up a Revolut account. We'll come up here. We've saved, I think, around 200 euros. I'm going to be putting money into that account as we go along. I'll try and throw in a bit of money myself, maybe 50 or 100 a month if I can, and I want to save it up to the 3,000 or 4,000 by maybe June or July. I'll see. There's a lot of things in play. I just have to wait. Also, guys, with the ad revenue in euros in Ireland, I think you have to keep around 60, 70 euros or 80 or something like that. I can't remember what it is in order to withdraw. Now, at the moment, I think we are nearly at 100 euros in ad revenue. Again, guys, I'm just being completely honest with you, just so you know where we're starting from. All these other car channels, the big ones, a lot of these other car channels had cars and had a bit of money behind them when they started doing this. I don't. I'm starting from the very bottom, just so you guys know. And I just want to be transparent with you that this will just be how the channel goes, as in it's getting the ad revenue and building up the subscribers. So if that's what you kind of like, guys, you want to get behind this, please do subscribe and get involved and comment below, because I will bring up your comments every Sunday, and I just love chatting to you guys in discussion. So let's get on with this video before I I pull the piss out of it a bit too much. Anyway, so 3 days ago this was posted on his community page. Stradman basically put up, we went to a full tour of Jeffree's supercar collection, took delivery of the most bespoke Rolls Royce Cullinan I've ever seen. Check it out in the YouTube link. Now, that video was posted a good 2 or 3 weeks ago. I don't know why he's trying to regurgitate this video and try and get more views. The comment section is like pure anti-Jeffree Star. I don't know Jeffree Star. I've never heard a good thing about him. I don't know why Stradman is trying to push this on his subscribers and thinking it's going to work. I have 2 reasons here, but some of the comments here is like, who's Jeffree Star? Why is Willy Wonka in this picture? Thought he made candy and not blinding paint specifications. Well, you're slacking on views in a video that you thought was going to do really well. That's, I think, another thing. No, just stop, literally. We want to see you not hang out with this guy. Does this dude really have a number plate with period on the Aston? Why is this guy even famous nowadays? Nowadays someone with luck becomes famous? I'm definitely skipping this video. Just some of the comments, guys, are absolutely hammering Stradman. Now, I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Have you seen the video? Have you not seen it? And what do you think of him trying to push this video out there? Just my quick thoughts on it. I think, now, if Jeffree Star had basically said, yes, I would include commenting you in my videos and in my Instagram posts, I would say, if you're going to get a colossal amount out of Jeffree Star of it, then good business sense, whatever. I checked Jeffree Star's Instagram and I checked his YouTube. Nowhere did he mention Stradman any what way, which to me means this was just Stradman thinking it was going to be a business move that's going to get views, and it hasn't, and now he's trying to push it more. I just think it was, I know Stradman can be childish sometimes. He does make good content, but he makes some stupid decisions. I just think he shouldn't be trying to push this. Everybody's saying it below in the comments. I just think it really is to stay away from Jeffree Star. It's not good. I didn't like the video one bit whatsoever. And you know, again, I would get it if Jeffree Star was giving him a shout out on Jeffree Star's Instagram or YouTube channel, which he hasn't. So this looks like he's just clambering for subscribers and views, which I don't think is a good move for Stradman. I think it's stupid, to be honest with you. And it was a childish move, and it just shows in those comments below. So comment below, guys, let me know what you think of him trying to push this video with Jeffree Star out there. I hope he doesn't do any more collabs with Jeffree Star, because he's not really getting anything out of this but a bit of hate in the comments, and Jeffree Star isn't giving him a shout out. So there's no point in him trying to push this, and he should just leave it alone, I think, at this stage, because it's just not, his subscribers don't like it. Also, guys, Vehicle Virgins has dropped another video about the Miata for under $5,000, another car review. I think he's got a lot of car reviews lined up. He's just going to push the videos, I'd say, as best he can to try and get the YouTube algorithm back up. Again, another normal, solid review. Looks like he's really going back to his roots. It was a good review. I mean, look, it's not bad. Like, I mean, I said it already. We need to give him a few vids, see how the views are going, see what way the reaction is. So far, the first two videos, not bad, solid, just been old Vehicle Virgins, but he's got to keep it up. And I said it already, if he isn't hitting over 100,000 views in the next maybe up to 2 months, and he's still around 50 or 60,000, that's it. Like, he's in serious trouble. He just has to give up. But if he can start hitting over 100,000 views in the next 2 months or more, he might have a chance, but we'll see. So comment below, guys, if you've seen the video as well for Vehicle Virgins, and let me know below also if you watched it. So I just want to cover those two, guys. Sorry for me ranting on. Definitely will have a longer video out tomorrow. I just really wanted to cover this and see what you say in the comments below, discuss it, and let me know what you think. So if you're new to the channel, guys, please do check out my other videos, smash that subscribe button, do help out the channel and give it a chance. All my regular commenters, smash the like button, like squad and everything. And until the next video, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.